Yep, fish on. That's going to make an epic photo, Martin. It's about time. 7 hours and 38 minutes I've been sat here. We're going to dance around it while it melts. Only if you want to make sweet, sweet love. Good morning. So today we are at Leon Solent, just up the road from Solent's car park. I'm out with Martin again, and we're going to try and get a last ditch smooth-hound before they all disappear. The weather is perfect and there are fish here. They look like bass, so might be able to get a bass on the old squid. We'll have to see, but for now we're going to see if we can find some smooth-hounds. That's the plan for the day. That's what we're going to do. So we're heading out there now. Probably going to fish 4 rods. I'm a bit nuts like that. All on the bottom, 2 on crab, 3 on crab maybe. Crab's the main bait, hardbacks. Might have 1 or 2 on squid, a couple of prawns to try. Basically see what we can pick up. So we'll get out to the spot now, which is 600-700 yards maybe. So we'll get on the spot and we'll see what we can find. I'll be back shortly. Cheers. Somewhere here, Martin.
Yeah. Well, I'll let you drop anchor first, mate.
Okay. Let out a bit of rope. That should do it, I reckon.
Look about here, that should do it.
Go for it, mate. As you can see, Martin Woodward is stealing my spot. This is clearly encroaching into the zone. Honestly, these people from Jaywick, you can't take them anywhere.
Right, I'm going to drop anchor here, mate.
All right, that's no problem. Well, you know what I didn't do?
What didn't you do?
Didn't turn my live bait well on. Now I need to move for it to fill up, so I'm just going to unclip from my anchor and I'll come back to my anchor in a minute. First one I'm putting on is going to be prawn, which I've not really used before, so I don't know quite how well this is going to work, but I'm sort of making it up as I go along, really. We'll give that a gentle chuck out and see what happens, shall we? Pop that down there for a minute. Martin is over here. Mr. Woodward is out. I am out. We are both out. Out is good. And we are fishing. We'll see what we can catch on this glorious morning. It's looking good. Are the fish here? Well, nobody knows. As for now, I'm going to enjoy the sunshine and see if we can catch some fish.
Pretty much only just got rods in the water. I got a real issue, and then I had a snag, and yeah, it's just been a real dodgy setup, really. So yeah, I've only really just got them out in the water.
I've got a couple of spares if you need one for tomorrow's, mate. If you want to use all rods.
Yeah, I could drop one of yours over the side, mate. I'd sell me kayak to pay for it.
Take off.
When I stare, I find myself losing it.
You and me both, mate. It's very slow, very, very slow. One squid, I've got one prawn, 2 crab, and I've had about 3 knocks on the squid, and that's it. Never came to nothing, just a couple of knocks. How goes it over there?
Yeah, it's pretty much the same as it is where you are, mate.
Ridiculously slow again. It's just stupid.
It's not the best, is it? See how it's when that tide turns.
All I'm getting is knocks on the squid, which is normally bloody bream, which you're never going to catch on a big hook here. But I have got squid out on the sabikis hanging off the front, and they ain't taking that, so maybe not.
Yeah, my squid rod's dancing around, but yeah, nothing when you wind in.
I'm open to a plan B if you've got one, mate.
Plan B?
Yeah, does one have a plan B?
I would little eye. Same thing with
So I'm beginning with B. Blank, 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 blank.
Yeah, there's not really a lot to go at, is there?
I think our last ditch attempt to find some fish could be to head out much deeper. So the closest feature that looks okay is if you leave here and head the way I'm facing, 2.21 miles, there's some features where it drops off from 18 feet down to 49 feet, 50 feet. That's probably deeper because these depths are all out by about 10 feet, so it's probably more like 60 feet. What do you want to do? Do you want to take a trip down and look for deeper water, try and target a few rays or something? It's only 12:30, I don't want to waste the rest of the day. Alright, let's get some gear in and take a trip down there then. I'll get my gear in and we'll paddle down together. Oh well, let's move spot again, see what we can do. Try and rescue this fucking disaster that is no smooth-houndages. Smoothounds, doo-doo-doo. How you getting on peddling your beast? You love it really, don't you?
Yeah, I can't fault it.
Secretly that paddle is going to get sacrificially burnt.
No, don't burn me paddle.
We're going to dance around it while it melts. Anchors out? Yeah. Right, okay. I've got me sabikanoids out, I've got a crab out, I've got 2 squid out, and I hate squid, so it shows you how desperate I am. That's going to make an epic photo, Martin. Yep, fish on!
Thank fuck for that. That's going to be an awkward evening.
Only if you want to make sweet, sweet love. It's about time. 7 hours and 38 minutes I've been sat here. 7 painful hours. I can't have another session where I'm 50 yards from you and can't buy a bite. Feels a decent fish though.
I didn't think I was going to get it in. That's little 1-0 hooks they were.
Was it a new PB is the question?
What?
Was it a new PB? Come on, 20 pounder. This was a whole squid. Yeah. Come on, the Smoothound. If it's not a Smoothound, hopefully it's a big bass. Ah, beautiful fish. Yes. Well, I'm trying to be gentle. And if you're not careful, they just tie everything in a knot, don't they? Yeah. Yes, when you get a decent one, they're great fun to fight. Come on, the Smoothound. Well, that's what we came all this way for. Nice little Smoothound. Nothing big, nothing special, but after 7 hours and 42 minutes now of being sat here like a lemon and trying various spots, that's nice to finally get one. So hopefully there'll be a couple more before we leave. Right, let's get him back. Yeah, I got a bite on the crab. Yeah. Let's get this rod out quick. Yeah. Fish on. The crabberoonie. Ah. It's about time too. Another nice Smoothound. Smoothound number 2. Another nice little hound, making the trip worthwhile to getting it done. Hopefully this is the start of things to come as the evening goes on. But let's get him back and try for another one. Yeah. Matt, it's got to be a mackerel that. On the feathers. What do you say? Mackerel, yeah! Fucking hauling now, Barry. Yeah. Bite on the squid. Yeah. Fish on. Our little baby Smoothound. Literally the tiniest Smoothound I've ever seen. No, I think this one's fucking come from Jaywick, mate. at that for
Harley, the specimen Smoothound hunter.
perfection in miniature. Hey, look at him. Didn't like that hook, did you, mate? Smoothound in miniature. Let's get him back. Yeah, mackerel. At least I think it's mackerel. Oh no, they're not, they're horse mackerel. Oh, I've lost two. A couple of them to add to the books. Yeah, fish on. It is their bream. Oh, look at that. Horrible, nasty bream. Little spiky bream. Quite what we're after. And a bit of a pest, really, but there you go. Here's what it is. And, can't win them all, so at least sufficient for catching. But yeah, they're stripping our squid quicker than we can get them back out, which is a right pain in the bum bum. So yeah, just keep fishing, see if we can catch them all. I don't know what you want to do, mate. It's we need to have a, oh, on the crab. Fish on the crab. No! He come off! Yeah! Fish on! No way! It's a fucking conger eel! Nah, couple of pound, little strappy one. It's another one. Fucking thing, come here. Well, that wasn't on the books. There you go. We'll have one of them as well to add to the list. Let's get them back. Yeah, I'm quite enjoying it not being as quite as choppy here as it looks over there. Well, we've been out a while, and by the time this tide does push and settles out, it's going to be time to be heading back. So we might as well just, I personally think we should make a move back and come up with a plan for tomorrow. Right, time to head, isn't it? Now Martin's just there. Bit of food, make a plan for tomorrow. We caught the target species, shame we lost one, but you can't catch them all, so we'll take a pedal back and we'll see how we get on. It's just embarrassing, Martin.
What's that?
It's just embarrassing.
Oh, fuck you.
Getting done by an old lady, look at her go, look, she's fucking paddling her little heart out, bless her.
Yeah, I can fucking paddle quicker than I can pedal.
You know that's a blatant lie, didn't you?
That?
That's a blatant lie.
No, you watch. I'm playing that like that. Full paddler.
No.
I'm not going to go mental.
The dark side, look, he paddles break rods, paddles cause aggro.
Oh, it's actually quite nice on the back to do that.
Yeah. It's like holding a lightsaber, isn't it? Because you go onto the dark side.
Yeah.
Fucking hell, I feel like a little pop bit. Not being left out. Stroke, 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 stroke. Yeah, paddles alright that thing, doesn't it? Yeah. If you drive snaps, at least you know you can get home.
Yeah.
If I drive snaps, like we're in Coast Guard. Well, it's been an emotional day out. It has definitely been an emotional day out. At least we didn't blank.
Oh.
Well, we're back at the van. End of day one, a long day. We're going to try and make a plan for tomorrow and see what we're going to do. I don't really want to stay here because it's, you know, only going to get a morning out. It's an hour paddle there, hour paddle back. I mean, we'll have to see. We'll make a plan. There's no fish up this end at the minute, so we've got to go where the fish are. So anyway, I will sign off from this video and I'll see you in the next one. Tight lines.